Everyone is talking about Ozempic, but there's a new drug called Retatrutide that could completely change weight loss, and the early results are honestly shocking. Most people haven't even heard of it yet because it's still in clinical trials, but researchers are paying very close attention to this one. Retatrutide is different from drugs like Ozempic because it targets 3 hormones instead of just one. It works on GLP-1, GIP, and glucagon. So instead of just reducing appetite, it may also increase how your body burns energy and fat, making it a much more aggressive approach to weight loss. In early studies, people lost a significant amount of weight, some results reaching over 20% of body weight, which is extremely high for a medication. That's why many experts are calling this a potential next-generation weight loss drug. Right now, Retatrutide is in Phase 2 and moving into Phase 3 clinical trials, which means it's still being tested for safety and long-term effectiveness before it can be approved. If everything goes well in those trials, a realistic timeline for FDA approval would likely be somewhere around 2026 to 2027. But that depends on the results and regulatory review. If it does get approved, pricing could be similar to current GLP-1 medications like Ozempic or Wegovy, which can range from $900 to $1,300 per month without insurance. However, as more drugs enter the market, competition could eventually bring prices down. Like other drugs in this category, potential side effects may include nausea, vomiting, and digestive issues. Because it's more powerful and affects multiple hormones, researchers are also closely monitoring long-term safety and tolerability. And since it's still in trials, we don't yet have the full picture of all possible risks. If these results continue, Retatrutide could raise the standard for how we treat obesity and metabolic health, possibly going beyond what current medications can do. We're entering a new phase where weight loss treatments are becoming more advanced, more targeted, and potentially more effective than ever before. If you want to stay updated on the future of weight loss treatments, make sure to follow, because next, we're going to talk about another emerging option, bioglutide, and how it compares. You don't want to miss that. Thank you for watching. See you next time.